Okay, you need to be very careful when you say the sound of the letters. You don't add a vowel after the letter. You don't say pa, ta, da, ba, ta. Do you see any vowels after these letters? No, right? So we only say the sound nicely and cleanly. Pa, ta, da, ba, ta. Okay? So you guys did great. Today we name the letters and tell the sounds. Okay. Now let's get ready for the next activity.
What we're doing?
We are going to spell the letters that we learned from last week and this week.
Are we doing again?
Do you know the letters? Do you think you know all the letters? You can spell the letters? Too loud.
No, Dave. What's the date? Where's the date? I can't see the date. Yeah, me too. I'm in the middle of the street. Thank you. I'm in the middle of the street. Thank you. What I'm going to do?
August 2016, or you can do the shortest way of writing the date, okay? 30-8-2016. Okay, let's see which row is ready.
I'm not done.
You're not done? Okay, now I'm going to check if you're ready, because you're already very late.
No, I did.
Is row 2 done?
Write your name. There's no space. There's no space, so I make it dynamic.
Row 1 is very quiet today. Row 1, I think I'll give you some points. Row 1 will get 50 points. They're behaving really, really well. Good job. Zip, I'm checking. You don't need to tell Miss Tony. Okay, thank you. Okay. Have you all written your names on your paper?
Yes.
Row 1 is done. They're ready. How about row 3? I think you are not ready. We're going to hold the pencil nicely, okay? So I think you're not ready. I'll wait until you're ready. If I can see that you're ready, I'll give this back to you. Okay, we're waiting for row 2. Row 1, amazing. You guys are ready. Row 3 as well. Row 2, we're waiting for Jared. We're set? Ready? Alright, I think Ariel is ready. Okay. Yes, Miss Tony is the teacher. I would know, because I can see them, okay? Alright, so we are going to spell some letters today. We are going to spell at least 4 letters, and these are, I hear someone talking. And these are the letters that we've learned from last week and also this week. So Miss Tony is going to say, do you need help, Maya?
It's not fit together.
Miss Tony is going to say some sounds, sound of the letter. You listen and echo, name the letter, and then write it nicely on your paper. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any questions before we start about this activity? Yes? No. All right. Number 1, listen and echo. Name the letter and then write it, okay? We'll do number 1.
And then
Okay.
number 2.
Until number 4, yes. So I will tell you that we are currently in number 1. Shh, you don't write in number 2, 3, 4. Look for the number and look at the arrow. That's where you would start writing the letter. Okay, ready? Listen and echo. Shh. Maya, are you ready? Row 3. Okay, number 1. Name the letter.
P.
Write it. Do not say, I'm done. Your teachers will walk around and check your work. Number 1. That's a hanging letter. You don't need to raise your hand. I'm just going to walk around. Okay. We are writing small letters, okay? Small letters. Oh, later. Okay, now I am going to write that letter on the board. Pull straight down, up, curve around, release. That's how you should write the letter. I'll check that later. Okay? Number 2. Look at my mouth. Listen and echo, name the letter, and then write it. Ready, Sophia? Number 2. Yes, number 2. Okay, look at my mouth. B. Name the letter.
B.
Write it, please.
It's B.
Is Jared writing? What's your answer, number 2? Pull straight down, curve around, close, release. Okay? Good. I like your letters. Nicely done. Look at how I write my letters on the board. If it's a tall letter, I use 3 lines. Okay? If it's hanging, look closely. All done. All right. Number 3, listen and echo, name the letter and write it. Name the letter.
T.
Write it, please. That's number 3. Pull straight down, release. Line across, release.
This is how you write the P.
This is a hanging letter. You would use 2 lines and hanging the board.
So when you wait,
Ready for number 4?
yeah.
Okay. Miss Tony will check your work later, okay? Number 4. Listen and echo, name the letter, and then write it. Jared, ready? D. Name the letter. Write it, please.
How do you write? Oh, we did
How do you write?
B.
Oh, we did D?
That was B.
That is B.
You said
We are doing D. One more time, yes, yes. D.
D.
D. Name the letter. Write it. Curve back around. Push up. Down. Release. Okay, now we are getting the errors of, the early reader errors between the okay? All right. If you're done, okay, K2, remain seated. Miss Tony will check your work in a bit. Today, we practice spelling some of the letters. Can you name the letter, keyword, and sound? Go. P, K, B, next. T, D, well done.